Hi kids! Welcome to Happy Artsy Kids. Today we are going to draw a rainbow. Are you ready? Let's go! First, let's draw two clouds here and here. We can start with a big curved line here, like that. And then curve, and a curve, curve line, curve line. And let's connect the bottom, curve, curve, curve. It doesn't have to be perfect. Then let's draw another one here. Big curved line, curve, curve, and let's connect them. Curve, curve, curve. There you go, you have the clouds. And then now let's start to draw the rainbow by drawing a curved line over here. So one there, and then I'm going to draw a total of 8 lines. So this is the first one, and then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then the last one, 8. There you go. You have your rainbow. Let's color. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.